Hey, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on debt to income ratio, how to look at your payments, and some things you may consider on lowering your debt to income ratio, and probably why you should not get a car payment in 2021 moving forward, or any type, or accumulate any type of debt. Let me explain. So, I looked up on blackdemographics.com. The average African American makes $44,000, right? So, I want you to get a pen, and I just want you to write down and just follow along. Write down $44,000. Multiply that times 12. You will get a number that says $3,666. Right? Now, you did not pay taxes on that. So, we're going to now multiply 0.33, which gives you $1,210. So, $1,210 minus $3,666 leaves you with $2,456. Now, you have to divide that by 2, and that gives you $1,228 every 2 weeks. So, if you have a car payment, so if we did the math on that, and $2,400, 2,456, like I said, after taxes. Let's see, if you have a car payment of $300, that's going to bring it down to $2,100. If you got car insurance, another $300. That breaks it down to $1,800. You still got to get gas. We'd say gas is at $3 a barrel right now, $3 a gallon. So we'll just say $300 a month just for gas. That'll leave you $1,500, and you still did not get rent yet. These are just quick little finance tips and just how to break down your money and where your money is going to. You need to get a hold of your money, your spending, and what's going on with it, and lower your debt to income ratio and stop accumulating debt. If you have questions, you can always comment below. There are some links below if you want to know any more information.